Hello, thank you for joining us. Now look, I didn't know how to present this video. So first of all, I just wanted to say thank you for joining us here at SoftWash UK. It means a lot to me personally. Now, it's quite a complicated industry to find out what chemicals and what equipment should I use. There's so much information out there. And to be honest, I didn't know how to improve the website for this particular problem. So I thought what I'll do is I'll do this introductory video just to say hi and thank you and let you know that I will be doing videos for each product page, so to give you as much information so you guys and girls can make an informed decision whether that's the chemical or equipment that's suitable for you. So I think that's the contract that I'm going to have with you guys here today. So thanks again for stopping by and take a look around. If you need any assistance, go to the contact us page and fill in an inquiry there, or you can ask questions on the chat bot at the bottom of the website as well. Okay, thanks again and we'll see you soon.